Good morning students. In the previous video I have explained you the concentration terms. Now in this video we will do the numericals based on that concept. Okay, so this is the question 2.1. This is an in-text question. Okay, so we have to read the question. Calculate the mass percentage of benzene whose molecular formula is C6H6 and the carbon tetrachloride CCl4 if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. So what we have to find? The mass percentage. We know the formula of mass percentage. What is the formula of mass percentage? Mass of the component divided by total mass of solution. Okay, this is the mass percentage formula. In this question, we have to find the mass percentage of benzene. Okay, so what is the mass of benzene? 22 gram. Okay, and what is the mass of total solution? 22 gram plus 122 gram. So we will find here mass percentage of benzene. So mass of benzene, what is the mass of benzene? 22 gram divided by total mass of solution. So benzene is 22 gram and the mass of carbon tetrachloride is 122 gram. Okay, so what is the answer will come? 22 divided by 144, this will come as 15.28%. Okay, so this is the required answer. Now we will solve the question number 2.2. This is the in-test questions. Okay, in this question, calculate the mole fraction of benzene. We have to find the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so first we have to understand what this statement means. Okay, 30% by mass means weight by weight. What this value interprets? Mass of benzene (30 gram), okay, and mass of solution is equal to 100 gram. Okay, from this data we will conclude that in 100 gram of solution there is 30 gram of benzene. Okay, so we have to find the mole fraction. So what is the formula of mole fraction? You know, number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles. Okay, so we have to find number of moles of benzene. Okay, so what is the formula? Number of moles given mass upon molar mass. So what is the mass of benzene? 30 gram. We have to find the molar mass of benzene. Molar mass of benzene is benzene formula C6H6, 6 into 12 plus 6 into 1. So this is 78. Okay, this is the molar mass of benzene. Okay, this will come as 0.384. Okay, this is the number of moles. We have to find the number of moles of CCl4. carbon tetrachloride. So for this we have to find the CCl4. We have to find this molar mass. So molar mass of CCl4 12 plus 4 into 35.5. So what this will come? 154 gram per mole. Okay, this is the molar mass of CCl4, 154 gram per mole. Okay, so how we will find the number of moles of CCl4? Given mass, what is the mass of CCl4? See, mass of solution 100 gram and mass of benzene 30 gram. So what the mass of left 70 gram, that is the mass of CCl4, that is 70 gram. How this will come? 100 minus 30. Okay, this is the mass of CCl4. We have to find number of moles. So what is the given mass? 70 gram divided by molar mass 154. What this will come? 0. Okay. So the number of moles of carbon tetrachloride is 0.45. Number of moles of benzene is 0.34. Now we have to find mole fraction of benzene. So the mole fraction of benzene is that is chi C6H6. So number of moles of benzene 0.384 divided by total number of moles, means 0.384 plus 0.45. So what is the answer will come? 0.458. Okay, this is the mole fraction of benzene. So this is the answer. Okay students, now